we offer the best AI solution, AI powered solar inverter systems in the market compared to the other people in the market. जो भी हमारा इंडिया में भी प्रोडक्ट है, they are not AI powered. बेसिकली अदर्स लोग आप देख रहे हो जो भी है ऐसे में सनग्रो जो भी है, दे आर नॉट एआई पावर्ड, दे आर कन्वेंशनल इन्वर्टर, दे सर्व द पर्पस, बट दीज आर फ्यूचर रेडी प्रोडक्ट वेयर यू कैन डू द VPP मोड एंड ऑल. VPP मीन्स द वर्चुअल पावर प्लांट एंड ऑल विच आर ऑलरेडी रियलिटी इन अदर कंट्री, नॉट इन इंडिया. वो क्या होता है कि बेसिकली जो भी आप जनरेशन करते हो, जो ग्रिड को बेच
एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं,
एक्सपोर्ट कर देते हो, वो अलग बात है, वो अलग अवेलेबल है इंडिया में. लेकिन वर्चुअल पावर प्लांट क्या होता है कि ट्रेड कर सकते हो, तो आप जनरेशन करो उसको दे दो, फिर आपको वो पैसे देगा, वो इंटर कम्युनिटी भी वो आप एनर्जी को शेयर कर सकते हो.
UPPCL को जैसे
वर्चुअल पावर प्लांट बोलते हैं, ट्रेडिंग बोलते हैं उसको. इंडिया में वो रियलिटी नहीं है,
अभी नहीं है.
दैट इज व्हाई इट इज
आने वाले समय में हो सकता है.
एंड इधर एआई पावर्ड बिल्ट इन EMS है, तो यू कैन प्लान योर नेक्स्ट डे एनर्जी. अगर फोरकास्ट में अगर बारिश आ रहा है तो यू कैन प्लान योर एनर्जी कंजम्पशन टुडे इटसेल्फ. कल बारिश आ रहा है तो इट विल लेट यू नो,
इन्फॉर्म कर दे पहले से
बता देगा आपको बारिश आने वाला है, आपको कुछ स्टोर करना है क्या एनर्जी.
अच्छा.
तो दीज थिंग्स अदर्स नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई दीज आर लिटिल एडवांस देन द कन्वेंशनल.
सिग एनर्जी आप देख रहे हैं एक स्टॉल पर, और मैं पहुंचा हूँ आज, और जो कंपनी आप मेरे पीछे देख रही हैं सिग एनर्जी है. हमारे साथ सर हैं राघवन जी. सर वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. मैं चाहता हूँ आपके जो सिस्टम मैंने देखे काफ़ी अच्छे यूनिक दिख रहे हैं, तो मैं चाहता हूँ मेरे दर्शकों को सारे सिस्टम के बारे में अपडेट कर दिए, क्या अपडेट आने वाला है इन फ्यूचर. ठीक है प्लीज़.
So, hi, my name is Raghavendra. I am heading technical solution here from SIG Energy. So we have complete residential package and the CNI package and also the utility package for the Indian market. In residential scale, where we have the SIGEN hybrid inverter. In the SIGEN hybrid inverter we have 3 variants, which starts from 2 kW to 6 kW in single phase, 3 to 12 kW in 3 phase. Where this inverter is future ready inverter, which has built-in EMS.
Okay.
And it is very compact in nature and 99 mm thickness, if you see this one. And this is now you can use it as an on-grid inverter. If you want to add a battery in future, you can add a battery whenever you want.
मतलब लाइक दिस आप समझ सकते हैं कि ये आने वाला फ्यूचर है आपके.
Yes. So when I say it's future ready inverter, there are various features like VPP mode and all, which are virtual power plant. When I say VPP, so that are already built into this one. So though that is not available in India, India it is not a reality, but in other countries we already have VPP mode enabled and working. These products are using there, and this is, as I said, it is future ready. You use it as an on-grid inverter now, and you add a battery as and when you need it. Okay. So we have battery solutions. We call SIGEN battery, where we are offering for Indian people or Indian community with the 2 variants, where it start from 6 kWh to 10 kWh. Okay. And this is SIGEN gateway, energy gateway. This is smart gateway, where we can combine all the battery, solar inverter, and EV charger and other diesel generator, and also load transfer from grid to battery in 0 millisecond. All we can do from this SIGEN gateway. And we have one more device called EV AC charger.
Okay.
This is again future ready device, where it is work as a bidirectional EV charger. When I say bidirectional, it will charge from grid to vehicle, and it will again discharge from vehicle to the house. So whatever load you are connected, you can also use it from the EV charger itself. And it also, you can also plan the energy when you want to charge and discharge through this device. It is again AI powered device.
Okay.
We also offer micro inverter in 2 variants, one with half kilowatt and another one with 1 kilowatt. So in half kilowatt we have 1 in and 1 out.
Okay.
Whereas in 1 kilowatt we have 2 panel input.
Okay.
And we have 1 output.
Okay.
So these are very much complementing for a PM Surya Ghar Yojana, where people can offer 1 kilowatt applications with these solutions. We also have now CNI solution. Come with me, I will take you to the complete CNI package.
Okay. So please.
Excuse me, 1 second. In CNI, we have 3 variants. We also call the CNI solutions as a business energy solutions, where these solutions starts from 50 kilowatt to 125 kilowatt in hybrid inverter.
Okay.
These also have the SIGEN PVI inverter, where these work as an on-grid inverter from range start from 50 kilowatt to 166.6 kilowatt. And these also have one more model called HYB version, where that has a grid forming inverter.
Okay.
Where it is also in the starts from the ranges from 50 kilowatt to 125 kilowatt. So the HYA version is compatible with this hybrid inverter.
Okay.
Sorry, this
Batteries.
batteries.
Solar.
So these batteries all starts from 48 kilowatt hour to 256 kilowatt hour in
one rack how much
So
power?
the one model will be 12 kilowatt hour one model.
Okay.
So this is battery controller where we have two variants like 0.5C and 1C.
Okay.
When I say 0.5C it is 2 hour and 1C is 1 hour solutions. So the range starts from 48 kilowatt to 256 kilowatt hour.
Okay.
You can also parallel them up to 100 numbers to achieve 25 megawatt hour energy.
कुछ और भी हम देख रहे हैं, ये कौन सा सिस्टम अपना चल रहा है?
ये है हमारा utility PV solutions where we have three variants in this one. If you can see the 370, 400 and 500 kilowatt inverter. In
Okay.
370 and 400 kilowatt comes up with 800 volt AC output, whereas a 500 kilowatt which you can see in the display, it comes up with 1000 volt AC output, which is first in the world with the 500 kilowatt with a string inverter.
Okay.
And it also comes up with 1000 volt AC output, which is very unique in nature. It has 18 MPPT with the 2 strings per MPPT. Comes up with built-in EMS and geotagging and also temperature monitoring in the each connectors.
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या अपडेट है इसमें?
इसमें एक्चुअली ये है कि वी कैन मॉनिटर इंडिविजुअल स्ट्रिंग्स थ्रू EMS और मॉनिटरिंग ऐप कॉल्ड माई सिगन ऐप where you can completely identify where exactly the inverter is installed. With this inverter you can save almost 19% of your bill of material.
ओके,
So these are the solutions we offer for the Indian market. So enjoy green energy.
नॉर्थ में आने का क्या कुछ अभी प्लानिंग कंपनी की है या नहीं है?
So we are selling across India. All our solutions are offered for all India. So we have all the residential, CNI and utility will be available across all states of the.
प्रेजेंट में सर कंपनी कहाँ से वर्क कर रही है सर?
So presently our office is headquartered in Navi Mumbai, where we have customer experience center of and the office has almost 200 people sitting capacity, where we invite our installers, distributor, customer, and all the people to come and visit our the office to get the product portfolio and feel the training and all those things in the
सर मैं
experience.